In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban board template in Notion. If you are new to Kanban, think of it as a simple, visual way to track work as it moves from idea to completion. We'll start fresh, set up the board and walk through how to add tasks. Customize statuses and organize your work so everything feels clear and manageable. Begin by opening a new page in Notion. In the page body, type /board to quickly create an inline board view. This instantly gives you a simple Kanban layout without leaving your page. If you prefer a head start, you can also head to the Templates menu in the sidebar. Search for Kanban board and select a pre-made layout. Both approaches give you the same core functionality. Choose the one that fits your workflow best. Next, tailor the columns to match how you work. Click directly on any column title. Like to rename it. Add columns for the stages you actually use, such as backlog for ideas you haven't committed to yet, or review for items awaiting approval. Keep names short and clear, so your team can scan the board at a glance. The goal is to reflect your real process, not force your work into default labels. To add tasks, click the plus new button at the bottom of any column. Give each card a clear action-oriented title, so it's obvious what needs to happen. Then, click into the card to add details. Assign the work to the right person with assignees, set due dates to create gentle accountability, and use properties to capture essentials like priority or tags. Add detailed notes in the description so context lives with the task, not in a separate document. As work progresses, keep the board current by dragging and dropping cards between columns, moving a task from to-do to in progress. Then to review and finally to done gives you immediate visual feedback on progress. This quick motion is what makes Kanban so effective. Everyone can see what's moving and what's waiting. Finally, use the Group by option in the three-dot menu at the top of your board to change how tasks are organized. Grouping by different properties helps you view the same work through a new lens, whether that's by status, by who it's assigned to, or another property you've added without changing the actual tasks. That's it. You've created a Kanban board in Notion, customized your workflow, added tasks with meaningful details, and learned how to update and reorganize your work visually. Thanks for watching.